So this is a sample Google Analytics report that is created in Power BI, and you can see it is running on Power BI report server. So if we simply apply these filters of date, you can see the data changing. In the data for Google Analytics, we are showing total number of sessions, total number of pages per sessions, and average session duration. Average session duration, as you can see here in the dataset, is 0.07. This is sessions by country here being shown. So you can see most values are from Turkey, then from United Kingdom in the dataset. And this is average pages per session by country. And this is count of sessions by year, quarter, month, day, and operating system. So let's see how we can create a report like this in Power BI. To get it started, first thing that you have to do is connect the Google Analytics data. So there is a Google Analytics connector, and you must have your Google Analytics account. When you will connect with Google Analytics, it will show you many parameters, and out of those parameters we have selected average session, average time, country of session, country, date, latitude, longitude of the values, number of sessions, operating system. Then we also have operating system version, pages per session, session, user bucket, and user time. Okay. Now in your slicer, this is the slicer. So to create this visual, you just have to use slicer. In your slicer, select the date field. Okay. In the date field, you can see we have date hierarchy. We have selected the entire date field, and in visual setting, slicer setting should be between. You can do before, after, drop down, anything can be selected. In sum of selections, we have selected a gauge here. So in the gauge, the value used is sum of sessions. In sum of pages per session, we have also used gauge, and here the value is sum of pages per session. Similarly, this is sum of average session duration. You can rename these titles anything. To rename the title, just select the graph, format visual, general title. This is total pages per session. So you can rename it as total pages per session. Okay. And if you want, you can align it to center also. This is your choice. Now this here is a line and stacked column chart here. So in line and stacked column chart, on x-axis we have selected date, on y-axis we have selected session, but we have selected the count value. So, and here in column legend, operating system is selected. That's why you are seeing Android, from different devices users have visited the website, and we are seeing that data. Like you can see, most of the viewers are from this blue thing, which is representing Windows. This is session by country, and this is average page per session by country. For average page per session by country, we have used field map. In field map, in location, we have selected country. In tooltips, we have selected average of pages per session. So when you will take your mouse, you will see average of pages per session 1. Most of the countries, average of pages per session is 1, but in India it is 2. You can see that data. In Turkey is 2.31. Okay, so that's what you are seeing here. Average value. So this is average of pages session by country, and here in this chart, this is a pie chart. In pie chart, in legend, we have selected the country column. Okay, so in your pie chart in legend, you have selected the country column, and sessions, the total sum of sessions is being selected in the values column. So this way you have created the graph. In the settings, we have just enabled. In effects, we have enabled background. If you want, you can disable the background. We have enabled the shadow for each graph here. So this is a simple sample Google Analytics report that we got from GitHub, and it is being shown here for reference.